The Big Big Sister by Juliana. I lived 8 years without siblings and really wanted one. People called me the most cute person in the world and squeezed me until my eyes popped out. Some years after, finally my dream became true. A beautiful little girl came and I felt like the big sister I always wanted to be. I was so happy to meet her for the first time. But now everyone treated her more than everything. She had all the attention. She stole my princess place. I was really sad. I thought everyone preferred her and not me. And to finalize with the cherry on top came a baby boy. I was really happy when I found out, but then I remembered about my attention. But then I stopped and thought for a moment. For the first time, I felt like the big, big sister I always wanted to be. When they grew up a little bit older, we already were best friends. Now people thought I was responsible and kind. I was the big, big sister. At the end, I learned that it's not the attention that matters, but the responsibility and the example I give to my siblings. And being the big, big sister is what happened best in my life.